Boom shakalaka, this insane Bitcoin fractal predicting a $300,000 Bitcoin before the cycle is over, why Bitcoin's price may drop to $36,000 first, and why everything is looking extremely bullish right now. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at this insane Bitcoin fractal predicting a $300,000 Bitcoin before this cycle is over, why Bitcoin price may drop to $36,000 before it does that, and one more indicator that is insanely bullish for Bitcoin. Before we get into that, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. And today's video is sponsored by tokenplace, so stay tuned until the end for a review of the project. Right now, we are 1 week away from the Bitcoin golden 51-49% ratio peak. Based on this chart here that Trading Shot made almost 600 days ago, he was saying that, hey, if you take a look at the Bitcoin halving, about 49% occurs before the halving, or 51% before the halving and 49% after the halving. Well, he took a look at these two previous halvings, this one in 2012 and 2016, and he said based on this one in 2020, the date of the peak, if Bitcoin were to repeat itself, would be roughly around September 27th of 2021. Now, being how this worked twice before, there will be a 3 in 4 chance or a 75% chance that this would happen again. But is it going to happen? I don't know. I'm actually going to make a video about that sometime this week. But what we have going on here is this insane fractal predicting $300,000 Bitcoin. Now, where did this come from? Well, if we go to Bit Harrington over on Twitter. Now, granted, this is not financial advice. Nothing about Bitcoin is financial advice ever. You can only give financial advice about other stuff, not Bitcoin. I can give you financial advice about what 0.0001% savings account you should get, but not about Bitcoin, right? Well, anyways, he says, what if Bitcoin resistance becomes support from the resistance support line after Bitcoin pumped 6x after halving number 1 and also 6x after halving number 2? Well, potentially we could have that happening again. So as you can see here, Bitcoin price rode up, was rejected from that resistance, and then broke through to go 6x from there before finding support on that same line. Fast forward to number 2, found some resistance, broke through, again came down, found some support. So potentially we could be finding some resistance, break down, and then once we break through, potentially another 6x, putting Bitcoin roughly around $300,000. Now, it happened twice before, and just like this 51-49% ratio, 75% chance it would happen yet again. Now, Michael Vanderpop replied to that, saying this makes a ton of sense and is in line with my ideas too. Somewhere in 2017, we are heavy breakout to come at a later stage at $250,000, $350,000, and then landing on $65,000 in the bear market for Bitcoin. Guys, I would love for this to happen. Will it happen? I don't know. We'll kind of have to wait and see. But William Clemente, he says almost every big brain person he knows right now is bullish for the coming weeks, and reply guys are mostly bearish. Probably means nothing, or that reply guys are just not having very big brains, maybe. But we do also have to take a look at the opposite side, because this guy, Smart Contractor, he predicted the bear market bottom back in 2018 alongside with Charlie Lee. They both said roughly around $3,200, and it fell roughly around there. Well, he's saying he just took profit on a whole lot of his altcoin positions despite how bullish they may look. He thinks Bitcoin and ETH are both about to put in deeper C waves, correcting a 5-wave rises they both had from July lows and a push down to $2,500 ETH and $36,000 Bitcoin respectively. So if we zoom in here, we could see Bitcoin here potentially breaking all the way down, and then Ethereum as well before we actually have rises. He thinks ETH nukes to $2,700 and then bounces back off of these support lines right here. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin overall, because overall Bitcoin has been trading in this dotted line downtrend for a while. We're batting up against the top of it because since we correctly called the bottom back here in July, Bitcoin price has been rising, but right now it is finding support on the very bottom part of that line. And Bitcoin has been between the $42,000 and $55,000 area so much recently, like so many times. It was resistance here, but then Bitcoin has just been in this area since about February, so much of the time. However, one thing that I did want to point out is this blue line here. As you can see, it just started to tick upwards. And now this line is the 111-day moving average. Now this is a moving average that's used in the pi cycle top indicator. This orange line in the pi cycle top indicator is the one that I made blue here. And every time this ticks upwards, changes direction from down to up, it is followed by a bullish trend. Goes down to up, followed by bullish trend. Goes down to up, followed by bullish trend. Goes down to up, bullish trend. Down to up, bullish trend. Well, we just had another down to up, so likely could see another bullish trend based on that. So guys, I am very excited about Bitcoin. I think we could potentially see Bitcoin heading to the $300,000 area. This is a pretty awesome fractal. I like it. And that's all for today's episode. Now, onto the sponsored review by tokenplace, your home base for crypto investing, the ultimate crypto trading tool, a one-stop shop for everything you need crypto related. So if we take a look at it, basically you can connect all of your exchanges in one place, tokenplace. You have your APIs, you can just connect them all, and then this will actually pick out the best trading routes for you to use so that you can get the best trades without, I don't know, artificially inflating the price while you're trading. Now you have access to the entire market through one tokenplace account, and you can see all your API keys right there. Take your earnings to a new level. Gives you a single window for depositing, trading, exchanging, and withdrawing both crypto and fiat. You can put your strategies to work, take advantage of 50 plus professional indicators for your analysis, and real-time balance information for all connected exchanges. Not only that, it's very safe. You can log in using your fingerprint, using API keys to prevent the possibility of third parties accessing your funds, and your data is protected by enterprise-grade security. And then lots of functions at high speed. Register to make your first trade in a few minutes, set up instant reports and notifications, place orders, and find the best price instantly, and make a deal from any chart in 2 clicks. It looks like a really nice place where you can connect all of your exchanges in one place. Their zero noise interface is visual perfection. Clean, streamlined interface with light themes, both formatted perfectly for any device. Use their smartly designed dashboard to manage your portfolio from any location. Now, these updates will be available soon. Swap Engine, Token Trade, and Universal KYC, and they're outlining the Economy 3.0. So, what they have going on right now, they have their beta release on October 4th, so coming up in a couple weeks. Now, this beta release, the full version of tokenplace is set for next year. There'll be a single account aggregator for the whole crypto market, but the beta platform, on the other hand, is an API-based trading terminal where users can connect all of their existing exchange accounts and trade their whole portfolio in one window with the help of order splitting algorithms to find the best way to complete that. They have done a CertiK audit, got a very high score, 87, and it's very good to note that while there was one major, one minor, one informational, they've resolved all of the issues. So that's something that's good, because a lot of times you see people get these things done and then they never resolve the issues. Any issues that were found, they did resolve them. Now, tokenplace's TOK token approved for listing on the ZipMex exchange, which is a big Singaporean and Southeast Asian exchange. They have that coming up. They also have a strategic partnership with Bitstamp. So Bitstamp is a big exchange doing about $500 million in daily trading volume, and Bitstamp will grant tokenplace a share of commission revenue earned from traders who sign up for a Bitstamp account via the tokenplace terminal. Lastly, tokenplace unveils TOK and TOK ETH staking pools on the TrustSwap platform. So tokenplace and TrustSwap partner to create a $100,000 staking pool. A strong digital asset offers multiple opportunities for earnings and growth. They're launching a new staking opportunity backed by $100,000 worth of liquidity. So they've got all that stuff going on for the platform. It looks like a very, very nice platform. They do have a very strong looking team here with a lot of experience in the industry, including over 15 years in Big Four firms and a lot of other strong experience on the team. So guys, that is all for tokenplace today. Make sure to take a look at the platform. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.